Recording in progress.
Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan, preparing ourselves for this morning's meditation and requesting Shri Mataji's permission and guidance through the meditation and to help us achieve our thoughtless awareness and doubtless awareness. Let's settle our attention on the Sahasrara. A few deep breaths in and out. Let's start with the Mooladhara meditation. Waving our attention to the left Mooladhara with our right hand on Mother Earth. We say the mantra to Shri Nirmal Ganesh. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Mother, I am innocent. Let's meditate on the left Mooladhara for a couple of minutes. Keeping our attention on the Sahasrara, just watching our left Mooladhara at the base of the left hand and slightly to the left, just below the coccyx bone. Mother, I am innocent. Move our attention to the center Mooladhara with both our hands on our lap. The mantra to Sri Ganesha Gauri. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Gauri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namo Namaha. Father, please make me innocent with complete humility. The one desire from all our hearts. We ask humbly, Mother, please make me innocent. Let's move our attention to the right Muladhara, keeping our left hand towards Mother Earth. We say the mantra for Sri Kartikeya Sarva Rakshasa Sakshat Sarva Rakshasa Hantri. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Sarva Rakshasa Hantri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namo Namaha. Father, please make me worthy of your appreciation. Please destroy all the evil in me. Father, please remove all the negativity, conditionings, doubts, all hindrances within and without from their cause, their basis, their source, so I can grow in my ascent and be worthy of your appreciation and love. Father, I surrender to you again and again. Let's keep both our hands on our lap and move our attention through the Swadhisthana to the Nabhi, and we settle our attention in the void.
Om Shri Raja Janaka Namaha. Om Shri Abraham Namaha. Om Shri Moses Namaha. Om Shri Zarathustra Namaha. Om Shri Confucius Namaha. Om Shri Lao Tse Namaha. Om Shri Socrates Namaha. Om Shri Muhammad Namaha. Om Shri Guru Nanak Namaha. Om Shri Shirdi Sai Nath Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha.
Most of the gurus are very hot-tempered, or has been before. And that's why they were busy with their temper and they couldn't produce anything sensible, I think. They could never give realization. So, I have to warn you, control your temper. Watch yourself if you get angry. Then you cannot become a guru. Guru has to be a loving person, very loving and understanding. Then you have to be humble, not to abuse people, not to shout at people. If they misbehave, you can ask them to go out. But don't shout. If you think somebody is misbehaving, you can ask that person to get out. But you need not shout or get angry with that person. So it's a very big responsibility now. You got your realization. And so 4 or 5 of you should join to form a Sahaja Yoga group, giving realization to people. Try. Of course, my photograph would be there, but still you must try. Try to understand that now what is your responsibility. If a position is given, you have to always carry on what the responsibility of that position. In the same way, if you become a guru, you have a certain amount of responsibility. That your own behavior should be very good. to begin with. In the beginning, you cannot tell them don't go to church or don't do this, don't do that. You give them realization and then you can talk to them. In the beginning, you shouldn't tell them, or they'll just shun you. Accept them as they are. In the beginning, you should not also cure people if possible. You can use my photograph to begin with, but don't cure them. Later on, if you are confident, then 4 or 5 together should treat that person. Curing people is not very easy, and you may catch. So, before acting on them, you must take a bandhan. Bandhan is very good. You should, even when you are going out, you should take a bandhan. You should also make a very good speech, if possible. Now you know so many things and you can talk to them. It's a very big responsibility. Now I've been working from the year 1970 and today so many years I've worked so hard. But I can't now do it. I have to go back and take some rest as everybody has said, and you will also agree. But you can tell about me if it is necessary. But use my photograph. Every time you have a meeting, use my photograph. Those who think they can be leaders and as gurus, they should first see their own vibration. Meditate on my photograph and find out. You have to be absolutely honest that you are 100% all right and there is no catch. And then you can become a guru. You have to be. First you may get 2 people, then 3 people. I started with 5. So you can imagine how one can go with it. Try first of all with 2, 3, 5 and more. You can also advertise afterwards. If you have given realization to people, say about you have given a realization to 10 people, you can start your own organization or whatever you may call, and can work it out. Now you have the power. You have the right. But you must have a temperament also. In the beginning, you have to be very patient and kind. Very kind. Then gradually you'll find that you can cure people. You can use my photograph for curing to begin with. And later on you can see you can cure. First of all, on vibrations you'll see what chakras are catching, which are good, which are bad. And then you should correct that. If there's something wrong, You must correct it and then become Guru. It's not just accepting that I am Guru, become Guru. But you have to be very, very authority on yourself. You have to judge yourself. First of all, you should find out, can you become Gurus? And then you can send me your reports. I'll be very happy to know how many you have got now. And that is how Sahaja Yoga would spread, no doubt. It cannot remain at this stage because I am withdrawing. But because now you are so many Sahaja Yogis, it will grow and work out. But I think now I can't travel and I am going back. I won't be able to come back again. Not possible. So you better work it out for yourself. You must write to me if you have any difficulties. If somebody is catching or something, or you have problem. Now, I don't think any newspaper will criticize you. They have done it for me, but not for you. All of you promise me that you will try to become gurus. I didn't take any money from you, nothing from you. I just want that you should spread Sahaja Yoga. In the beginning, even in the pujas, don't take any presents or money. You can only take little money from them if you have need to have a hall or a big place. But that would be much later. First of all, try with few people. It will grow very well. Now the another thing is, puja you should not allow them to do to you, to begin with. Till you have done 300 Sahaja Yogis, you can't ask them to do you puja. You can use my photograph for the puja to begin with. But be very careful, because you have powers now, and it might pamper your ego. Maybe you start thinking you are great. No. You have to save the world. All my work is that. And I would ask you to write to me in India if there is any difficulty. Also write to me how you are spreading Sahaja Yoga. What is happening, I would love to know. But I think you will understand that I must retire now. I can't travel. If you have any questions, ask me. Those who are confident that they can become gurus, raise your hands.
Giving our attention at the Sahasrara. Let's surrender. The Mother, please hear my prayer and my humble request. May all the seekers of the world get their self-realization. May you be victorious over all the evil in the world. Mother, please protect your creation and bless your children to be your capable channel to fulfill your vision of Sahaja Yoga on this earth.
सुनी भूबरी पर फुटे ना अंकुर तीर गुरु प्रेम वृष्टि में गाइल भीर गुरु ज्ञान ते होई परिपूर्ण चीज मम माझा गुरु तोच म्हणवी खरा माझा गुरु तोच म्हणवी खरा माझा
Let's put our hands together and thank Mother for this opportunity of collective meditation. Thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan and have a beautiful day everyone. Jai Shri Mataji.